where the mama bear hibernates. What we're gonna do is sneak in very quietly, hopefully not disturb the mama bear, and see, kind of try to discover what it is that it does and the sounds it makes. We're getting closer, so we have to be very quiet. Now we're gonna sneak up there. Whoop, squeaky floor, you can mind people to hear it. Oh no. It looks like it has a guardian. But the guardians are often easily bribed. That'll keep him busy for a while so we can sneak up on the mama bear. Now, it works every time. Now you might be able to hear the sounds of the mama bear. Can you hear them? I think those sounds. Oh.
What's wrong?